Hi everyone, welcome to QA training session 1 software development life cycle. So today we are learning introduction to software development life cycle. Application needs to be developed in an organized manner in order to give a quality product. It is very important to follow a systematic approach to software development, operation and maintenance. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle, which provides a structured and process-oriented approach towards software development. It is a process that describes how to develop, design and maintain the software project, ensuring that all the functional and user requirement, goals and objectives are met. By applying this SDLC, we can produce quality products in faster and efficient manner. As you can see, the most common phases are in SDLC are planning, requirement analysis, design, development, testing and maintenance. Specific tasks are performed at each and every phase of SDLC. Generally, output of one phase serves as an input of next phase. We shall look up each of these phases in depth in the upcoming slides. We have different SDLC models: waterfall model, V model, spiral model and prototype model. So here we will use these SDLC models based on the requirements of the project. Let's go in depth into each and every phase of the SDLC. The first phase of SDLC is the planning phase. In this phase, business value of software is evaluated to check if the user really needs the application. Estimate the project cost and return of investment. Here in this SDLC planning phase, project plan is created which includes the complete schedule of the project. Resources like financial, hardware, software, manpower and infrastructure are identified and documented. Project plan is approved by the top management and the project is kicked off. And the next phase of SDLC is analysis. So in this phase, all the requirements from the client are gathered and analyzed to verify few factors like clarity and completeness of the system and its ability to meet the requirement and any dependency issues. And once this analysis is complete, requirements are documented in detail. Also, defined in analysis phase is system input, their functions and output of analysis phase. The main objective of analysis phase is what function must be performed by the system rather than how to perform. And the next phase of SDLC is design. So in this phase, requirements and functionalities which are identified in the analysis phase are transformed to a detailed design specifications. Design specifications define how to meet functional requirements and are used by the development team in the coding phase. This design phase is very important for the development team. For example, which technology to be used by which component of the system is identified in this phase. In this phase, requirements are broken down into modules. As we discussed, this phase is very important in SDLC lifecycle because all the functional planning is done in this phase. The next phase of SDLC is development. In the development phase, design specifications are converted into working model of the software. Development team develops and reviews the components in development. Converting the model into components helps the development team to work independently. Once the components are built by the developers, they are identified to form a complete system. In this phase, development team also test the components and system against the requirement. This is called as unit testing. Results of unit testing are documented. Unit testing is done to ensure the system is ready to deliver to the testing team to test the various functionalities. The next phase of SDLC is testing, which is very important for the testing team. In this testing phase, different testing types will be performed to detect defects and improve the quality of the system. As a testing team, we will perform different testing activities in the testing phase to make sure that the system is having high quality. And testing activities are executed based on the test plan created in the development phase. Here usually small components are tested first, followed by large components before finally testing the entire system. Here various types of the testing performed in this phase, and all the bugs will be tracked. Once all the bugs are fixed by the development team, system is approved for its launch. And the final phase of SDLC is maintenance. This is the last phase of SDLC, is the maintenance phase. Maintenance phase involves providing troubleshoot and customer service to support the system users. Maintenance is necessary to eliminate errors in the system during its working life. Necessary trainings are provided to the technical support team to support the application. Similarly, trainings are also given to the users who will be using the system. It also involves providing end users with the latest updates of the software, if any. This phase is continued as long as the system is in use. So this is all about software development lifecycle. Thank you everyone. That's it for the session 1 QA training. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.